In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load a Lisp file or application in AutoCAD. If you've downloaded a custom Lisp routine to speed up your drafting or automate repetitive tasks, getting it into AutoCAD is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through how to load it for immediate use, and I'll also point out the option that lets it load automatically every time you start AutoCAD. First, open the Load Unload Applications window. In the AutoCAD command line, type APPLOAD, then press Enter. This brings up a dedicated dialog where you manage Lisp files and other plugin applications. You'll see buttons for loading files, as well as a section that relates to startup behavior, so you can control whether a file loads one time or at every launch. Next, decide how you want to locate and bring in your Lisp. If you'd like your file to load automatically in future sessions, click the Contents button. This area controls AutoCAD's startup list, often called the startup suite. Adding a file there ensures it's available every time you open the program, which is ideal for tools you rely on daily. If you just want to load the file for the current session, click the Load button instead. You'll be prompted to browse your computer or network to find the file you downloaded. Lisp files typically use the .lsp extension, though compiled formats like .fas or .vlx can be loaded here as well. Once you've navigated to the correct folder, select your file and confirm to load it. AutoCAD will process the file and may show a brief notification on the command line indicating that the application has been successfully loaded. That's your signal that the routines inside are now ready to use. If the author of the Lisp provided command names, you can type those directly into the command line to run them. Some routines display a short message the first time they load. That's normal. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your Lisp files in a stable, easy-to-find location. If you plan to use startup loading, avoid moving or renaming the file afterwards so AutoCAD can find it next time. If you see a security prompt, it's AutoCAD checking that you trust the source of the file. Only proceed if you're confident it's safe. And if you ever need to load a different Lisp, just repeat these same steps with APPLOAD. That's it. You've learned how to open the Load Applications dialog, locate your Lisp, and load it either for now or for every session, so your custom tools are ready when you are.